Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the second part of our new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that we do have hundreds of surprise penny items out there right now at Dollar General. So look high, look low, and go check out that video. Also, we've got a little glitch going on with our Tide and Gain laundry products. Plus, I did upload part 1 to our clearance and penny list yesterday. So if you've missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, I do want to point out that this is a weird week at DG for clearance markdowns and our penny list. So it is very important that you pay attention to the dates, okay? So starting today on Tuesday, February the 13th, we have our novelty gift items going down to 25% off. And I am working on individual pictures for this category, so y'all make sure that you stay tuned. All right, up next we have picture frames, and we have a lot of picture frames that are included in this category. We have some sitting at 25% off, and then we also have some sitting at 50% off. So this is a big list, huge category, lots of items included. So it is going to take me a little bit of time to do some investigating, because unfortunately, if you type in the UPC code, it's not pulling up the picture of the item. So I'm going to have to go in store and do a little digging. And again, y'all make sure that you stay tuned for that visual video. All right, now up next, here's another weird category. We have white dot apparel going down to 50% off. So again, this is another category. I'm probably going to have to do a little digging on this category as well, because I do remember taking pictures of white dot tags, because I thought, wow, that's weird. I hadn't seen that before. So I should probably take a picture and save it for later. But now, unfortunately, I can't find it. So I'm going to have to go searching through my folders. And as soon as I find those visuals, I will let you guys know ASAP. All right, guys, now we're going to go ahead and jump into our Valentine's Day category. So we all know Valentine's Day is tomorrow on February the 14th. So happy Valentine's Day, everybody. And our markdowns are going to begin on Thursday, February the 15th. So from here on out, everything that we're going to talk about will be starting on Thursday, February the 15th. Up first, we have our Valentine's Day candy dropping down to 25% off starting on Thursday. This will include all of our Valentine's Day candy as well as the Christmas carryover candy. So here's just a couple of quick little video clips. Now y'all keep in mind that I did take these video clips maybe a month or so ago, so I am spotting some Christmas penny items as well, and we've talked about them several times. So let's go ahead and test out our penny shopping skills, and you guys let me know down in the comment section below, which items do you spot that are now currently 1 penny at Dollar General because they were following our Christmas markdowns. And then here at the end, I did include the list for the Christmas carryover candy. So if you guys want to take a look at that. Now, up next, we have our Valentine's Day seasonal category dropping down to 50% off. And again, these prices will drop starting on Thursday. So this is a big category. This does include all of the crafts, the little cards, boxes, home decor, of course, all of our stuffed and plush animals, all of our cute little stickers, signs, boxes, you name it. Again, this is a huge category. So I will be putting out another video specifically talking about Valentine's Day items. We've got hidden clearance items and things that might be misplaced throughout the store. So y'all stick around and stay tuned for that one. All right, up next, we have our Valentine's Day socks going down to 50% off again starting on Thursday. I was able to find 3 in my area. Typically they have a lot more, but for some reason this year it's just been slim pickings on the Valentine's Day socks. But here are 3 different patterns that I was able to find with the UPC code. Next up, we have our Valentine's Day party supplies dropping down to 50% off again starting on Thursday. So we have all of our paper plates and napkins. I didn't find any of the party cups at my stores, but that doesn't mean that they're not out there. So if you do spot some Valentine's Day themed party cups, just scan them to make sure that they are included. All right, guys, so now we're going to go ahead and take a look at our penny list for this week at Dollar General. So if you are new to penny shopping, please remember that the #1 rule of penny shopping is that we do not ask the employees about penny shopping, penny sales, penny items, whatever you want to call it, we are not going to talk to the employees about it. If you do that, all you're doing is letting the employees know that you are a penny shopper. So they need to be on their A game, and they need to be pulling those items from the sales floor every single week. So let's not talk to the employees about penny items. All right, guys, so if you've been staying up to date and watching all of my videos, you already know we have Valentine's Day balloons that will be a penny starting on Thursday, February the 15th. Now, I know I did include this information in a previous video. However, when I was putting together this video, I stumbled upon even more visuals specifically for the stick balloons, which I did include UPC codes for. So I wanted to go ahead and share that information with you all. And you guys know the drill on penny shopping. Look high, look low, look everywhere you go. And if you're ever in doubt, just scan, scan, scan. But it is very important that you have your correct store location set, because as with all clearance and penny lists, your miles may vary. Now, while we're taking a look at the rest of these pictures, I do want to share with you all a quick little story, because this kind of made me laugh for a second, but then it got really serious. So somebody left a comment on one of my videos, and it basically said that the employee had put up a sign on the front door saying, "This Dollar General is no longer participating in selling penny items." Now, I haven't had a chance to respond to this person. I do not know the entire story. I do not know. And I will be responding because I am curious as to what exactly happened that led to this point. But the way that the comment initially just came through on my phone, sometimes we get notified of comments and we can read it through the entire thing. Most of the time, we have to open up our app and read through them that way. But with this one, I was sitting there working on visuals, and it popped up and it said, "No longer participating in selling penny items." Here I am working on penny visuals. So it just made me laugh for a quick second. I was like, OMG, what is DG doing now? But then I realized it was probably, just a really bad experience. And it could have been a number of things, guys. I've actually been to remodels before, and people run in, literally ransack the whole store, because who cares? They're remodeling anyways, right? We can do whatever we want. And they just leave like it's no big deal. I stayed after one day to help because there was only one employee there, and I helped her clean up that entire store that day. I mean, it was really, really sad, and I can understand the employees' frustration. So I just wanted to share that with you all and remind everybody to be kind and clean up after yourselves. Those two things go such a long way with the DG employees. Now, that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.